Extract specific details like first and last names from a full name or retrieve the street name from an address. Performing such tasks on a small scale is not a big deal. However, when confronted with hundreds or even thousands of lines of data, managing large amounts of data can be a challenging and time-consuming task. Right, left, and mid functions are handy when we need to manipulate and extract specific portions of text in Excel. Here, we want to extract the area code of a phone number. The area code is the first 3 digits of the phone number. To extract these figures, we will use the function left. This function is not complicated to use because we only need 2 arguments. One is a reference of a cell and another is the number of digits we want to extract. Let's start the formula where we want the first area code. Always start of the formula will be with an equal sign. Type left. Then press the Tab button. The first argument of the left function is text. This is the source text string. Typically, this is the cell reference, and in this case, it's F7. So, click on F7. Put a comma to start the next argument. The next input is num_chars. This is the number of characters from the left of the string that will be extracted. If we count the characters of the area code including the brackets, we get 5. So, input 5 and close the formula with the bracket. Hit Enter. We got the result. Now, we need to extract area codes from all the contact numbers, so we drag the fill handle downward till the contact numbers end. Leave it. We get all the area codes in seconds. The right function extracts a given number of characters starting from the right side of a string. It has the same arguments as the left function. We want the first extension number to appear in cell I7, so type right with an equal sign. Click on cell F7. Put a comma. Then count the number of characters from the right side. We get 3. Press the Enter button. We have the extension of the first number. Now, fill in the rest of the rows using the fill handle. If we need to separate the landline number from the area code and extension, we use the MID function. Let's begin with an equal sign. Type the MID, press the Tab button, then click on F7, then comma, then count each character in the contact number. Type the position number from where the landline starts. As we see, here the landline number starts in the 7th position. We count the number, bracket, and space also. So type the number 7. Now count the number of characters from the start number that will be included in the output substring. The last digit is at position 14. This means the whole landline number consists of 8 characters. So we type 8, hit Enter, and fill in the rest of the rows.